South Africa really stands out. The view is unreal.
Looking out over the ocean with the city sprawling out below, it feels like we are on top of the world. I never thought a city could be so close to nature.
Definitely. And speaking of adventure, I can't wait to go on a safari. It is my childhood dream, seeing a lion up close.
The balance between preserving nature and modern life is so delicate. But that's what makes South Africa so unique. There's a rawness to it, a sense that life is unfolding right before your eyes.
And it's not just the wildlife. The culture is so diverse. Let's go.
Good morning to all. I am Rosal and I am Ruan Singh. Welcome to the Rainbow Nation. Welcome to South Africa, a country known for its vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unbreakable spirit. Let's celebrate the rich heritage through Ramshaw dance and traditional tamasha. And let's honor the brave ancestors and leaders who fought tirelessly for freedom. So let us take you on a journey through the vibrant spirit of South Africa, where the students of Class 1E unite to embrace our differences and celebrate our shared humanity. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's give a big round of applause for to Class 1E.
Sikumbe Afrika, 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 sikumbe
yourself up and back in the saddle. You're on the front fire, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, if you fold it up, hey, cause this is Africa. This time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, your way to light, if almost both over. People are raising their expectations. Go on and feed them, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, if you get down, get up, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. Tamina, mina, hey, waka, waka, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa. Ana, waka, tamina, mina, hey, waka, waka, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. This time for Africa. This time for Africa.
Sicumbe, Africa, Sicumbe, Africa, Sicumbe, Africa, Sicumbe, Africa, Sicumbe, Africa.